Hey guys, this is a run of a 2019 Mitsubishi ASX LS. Sorry for background noise, reason being because this dealership is quite busy today, so I do apologise. Anyhow, towards the front you got some nice halogen headlights, as you can see. You have a redesigned front fascia. It's also quite nice. They did this update in 2017, 2018, somewhere around there. So you got this kind of nice piece of chrome around here, which is more common on the new Mitsubishi models. It's nice peanut black trim as well. This car has a fuel consumption of 7.6 litres per 100 k's. It's also a CVT transmission. Urban 9.5, extra urban 6.4. Mitsubishi is having a little bit of a deal at Eastside. As you can see, these are the little features you've got on this model. Also including Apple CarPlay, which is a big highlight, very common on all cars now. So it's a big highlight that the ASX offers that. Wheels. So tyres are Bridgestone Dual HT tyres. The tyre size is 18 inch. In case you're wondering, these tyres are made in Japan. Quite like the finish, it's very nice. Keyless entry. Interior. Let's just show you quickly the engine. 2-litre engine. Here's the engine. The ASX. Battery, air cleaner. Got your sensors for your forward collision, lane departure warning, all that. And nicely there. It's the rear of the car. Tail lights. Got some nice chrome there. Rear backup camera. Got 4 parking sensors integrated into the rear bumper there. Got a third braking light. Got a big window, so really good for rear visibility. Also you have quite a large boot space. Seats do fold down as well. There's a little oh, there you go. It's like revised the buttons a little bit. There's a little button here. Press this down. Folds down. Can repeat the same process on the other side as well. Little button there, and if you can see that, it says down. Best part is they fold completely flat. Some cars don't do those, so it makes it a lot easier to slide large items across. It's a very big opening, big and wide, which is also a big highlight. And also being nice and flat makes it very easy to slide large items. See, you've got some hooks here. If you want to tie down items, you've got a space of a spare tire with your toolkit and all that. Very nice. Nicely carpeted as well. Very nice highlight. It's a manual tailgate. Have a look in the inside. Very solid. The ASX is built in Japan, in case you're wondering. Before continuing, I thought I'd just use this opportunity to show you the key fob for the ASX. Top spec model, so slightly a little different. So here's your key. Very nice looking key. So I pull this toggle here, obviously you get the actual manual key. So lock, unlock, pretty standard, self-explanatory. You can lock all the doors like that, and you can see the mirrors fold. Probably might do that again. I'll do it again because the camera out of focus. And it folds the mirrors, which is also very useful. It's very just Orion, the lights are on and everything. Very cool stuff. Here's the interior. Got these really nice seats, which I'll show you in a moment. A little bit of suede. Very nice interior. You can see you sit up quite high, which is good, makes it very easy to see it off. So here are your gauges. Let's turn the lights here for a minute. Here are your gauges. See, towards the left you've got your rev counter, right your speedo, in the center you've got all your digital information, where you can actually scroll through all your settings. That shows all your information. Next to dim it, obviously. So if you want to dim the display, if you like, you can do that. That displays all your information, fuel, trip, all that sort of thing. Leather wrap steering wheel. With some black stitching. Good bolstering, very nice. Towards the left you got your wiper controls, and the right you got your headlight and indicator controls. Very easy controls, very easy to use. Got your volume controls, hands-free telephone. You can see the buttons feel very solid and well made. Cruise control, and the toggles feel very solidly made. All your additional features, pre-collision lane departure. So what this does is when it detects another vehicle in front, it will automatically start applying the brake if you don't brake in time. Lane departure warning, in case you're wondering, this one here. What that does is if you leave your lane, the car will guide itself back into the lane. So let's say you doze off behind the wheel, so it will prevent you from colliding into oncoming traffic. Glove box. No padding or anything, but you got a card holder and a pen holder. Now this one does have Apple CarPlay, so you can see you have a new head unit along with this really nice gloss black trim. Turn on, and the buttons are very flush, as you can see. Very cool stuff. Agree. So the radio, the audio quality is really good, very good in fact. So the audio quality is really good, so if you love playing music, it's a very good bass. and that hasn't been tuned, so that's actually pretty good. So it's really good. It's very clear, and it's got a lot of good low end. So it's great for guitar music or like hip hop and stuff like that, which is great. In terms of responsiveness, that's actually most important. You can see it's quite responsive, the head unit. It's not slow or laggy. So you've got DAB digital radio, you got your AM as well, obviously. Not going to really demonstrate that. You've got phone to connect your telephone. You've got iPod, not like sometimes some people still use iPod, USB, Bluetooth audio, apps, and like I mentioned, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've got all that there as well. But first, obviously, you need to connect your device there. So before you do that, apps, connect your smartphone, then you can obviously connect Apple CarPlay and whatnot. But very responsive and really nice. So let's turn off the display for a minute. Oh, sorry, thought that turned off the display. I think you press and hold. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so you press and hold and it turns off the display. Did mention you've got air conditioning, climate control, sorry. So if I just turn the lights, someone just do that so you can have a good look. You can see, got your temperature, fan speeds in the center. Very powerful. Different modes, rear demister. Oh wait, that's because the engine's off, that's why I can't turn it on. But when you press that, it will light up and show you that you can demist the rear and the front, which is also really good. Very cool stuff. And I'll just turn this back up to off. You got 2 USB ports here. You can see 1, 2. Turn off your stability control. You got a 12 volt / 120 volt power outlet. You got some rubber padding here. This one was, I believe, an option for 4-wheel drive. That's why there was a button here. That's not here in this model. So you got also a leather wraps gear knob, which is nice. Some really nice black stitching. You got a rubber handbrake. Very good, very sturdy. You got this sort of material that kind of looks like metal. It's a very nice sort of finish. You can kind of see. Quite like that little attention to detail. CVT transmission, 6-speed. 2 cup holders, very useful. You got a vinyl armrest, which if I take this is actually relatively quite deep, and you've got a power point there, so you can actually charge up all kinds of stuff. And you've got this felted sort of tray here if you want to fit all your coins or other sorts of things. Leather seats with suede, which is also very nice. So you've got some really nice red stitching here, and this gorgeous suede. You can see it's really nice that they've done. Really nice treatment they've got, and you get the same treatment on the rear seats as well. Nice and supportive, nice and comfortable. All soft touch here, hard plastics here, sorry, and you've got soft touch materials all here. The door cards, very important, again, nice and soft touch. Got a different contrast of silver trim here. All the switches feel very premium. One thing I noticed in particular is the door cards. You can fit good sized drinks here, and you've got some good storage here as well. And also it's all padded in some nice vinyl here. Very nice. So the rear windows have been tinted. I don't know if you can tell that. Very nice. So I did show you the seats do fold down. They also have Isofix, so it's good for small children. It's actually a perfect car for our mums. So the ASX actually has quite pretty good legroom actually, which is actually really interesting. So you can see for its small form factor, it's very large. So you got good knee room. The center has 2 cup holders for drinks, and then a good armrest, and it's very firm. See, this doesn't flop down or anything like that. Leather, it's more suede, just like the front seats. No vents here, but you do have some gun neat seat. You do have a large transmission tunnel, but I'll forgive that because you can keep your feet here, or you can keep space over here as well. So keep your feet here so it doesn't obstruct onto rear passengers. And I'll just show you the dashboard from the rear seat. Sorry, it's just me just sitting against the leather. Got interior illumination. Did forget you got also here, I forgot on the front you've got controls here, your vanity mirror here, and you also have another one here, and they feel pretty well made. See, very well screwed together. Hard plastics here, small vinyl here, again the same sort of treatment as silver. You don't need pockets on the sides, which is a little bit disappointing, but I'll forgive that because you got quite good storage on the front and the center here. And also the boot is actually quite large for this sort of size, which is actually quite interesting, because normally you've got, for this sort of form factor, you either have more legroom and a smaller boot, but in this case you've got best of both worlds, so it's actually really great. These 2 seats come down together, and that one goes down by itself, which I've already demonstrated. Well, that's my little walk around of the 2019 Mitsubishi ASX LS. This car is actually a little bit on the special, so it's actually going for 29,680 dry weight, original price 33. These are all the options here. This car is for sale at Eastside Mitsubishi. It's a very good dealership, so if you want to get yourself a good deal, so feel free to drop down. Sorry for the section of this video. I hope you enjoyed this little walk around tour. In case you're interested in purchasing the vehicle, I'll leave the details of the dealership in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.